So, Diamond, just on that, yes, Diamond, I would like to just ask you about what you just talked about, where you've come from. There's been a lot of milestones in your life. We saw yesterday you picked up a nomination for the Hades, and there's been many more in your life. But is there a moment or an incident in your life, a blunder or a mistake that you can look back at and say, this is something that I learned from and it put me on the path to the success that I've achieved now?
Let me get it right, please. Let me get it right. I didn't understand.
Hey.
Yeah, like as a normal human being, sometimes there must be those moments you feel you're so down. There must be moments that you feel like giving up. You feel like, you know what? But then, trust me, type of person that I don't give up easily. To me, like I always, even if I see like, and this is another secret I want to tell you. If you want to get more far, you must first understand that every word, it must be you first. It's like, it's your own fight first. Then the rest, they'll be just backing you up or supporting you. But you have to understand that you can even fight that war by your own self. I'm that type of person. I know I've got right management, I've got right people, I've got biggest team. But when you see me into any type of war or anything that I want to go, I want to fight for, or I always ask myself that, can I manage this war by myself first? Because sometimes you should not, or you don't have to depend on anybody, because this is life, you never know. I think that's the most important secret that you guys need to understand.
Thank you. Rogers at Kunde. The first question is for Nameless. I've just heard your name, or I heard it like last month, after so many years. Where have you been hiding? And what are you up to? The next question is for Diamond. You are doing well in Young African and Famous. Are you considering acting for movies after this one? And the last one, today morning, when I shared on my social media that you are in Kampala and you are doing a song with Spice Diana, my friends got worried. They said, he's going to show this one. That even before the song is out, he will be done with her already. And yesterday you talked about a possibility of another woman here, if there is chemistry. Are you looking for another baby mama, or is it just muchomo for one evening?
Check. All right. Thanks for the question. For me, as Nameless, even as my name says, I've been searching for a name for all these years. I still haven't found a name. But for me, I have many stages in my career, you know. I have moments that I'm pushing things very hard out there. There are times I take a chill pill and do other things. For me, that's the way I've managed to just survive and sustain through, because as anyone will tell you, showbiz is not an easy career to have. It has a lot of pressure. Social media, different things come and challenge you in different ways. So you always have to read the market, check it sometimes, take a back seat. We deal with a lot of mental issues, as you know. So I find I find my own ways to manage myself through the many years. So yes, you'll also be hearing a lot more from me this year. I've taken a chill pill. I just got a new baby as well in the last 8 months. So that also made me want to take a bit of a chill pill before I now start going aggressive again. Yeah, thanks.
Well, in terms of acting, I've got different offers from different places. Apart from Africa, I've got one from Hollywood as well. I've got one from Bollywood, India as well, because I've got my friend called Okay, I've got one of my friends from India, he's a very big star, so he's been asking me to do a movie there as well. I've got some offer from Hollywood as well. But we are trying, like the management are trying to go through the all agreement so that we won't get ourselves into something that we won't have a turn back or something. But I would love to do that in a very big picture. Yeah, my friend's name is Digit. Yeah. And so if to do a movie, I would love to do a movie that will make our East African proud. Not just to do a movie, like, you know, sometimes you can have your 5,000 USD, you want to act like a movie with Diamond. I don't want to misuse or I don't want to embarrass our movie industry in East Africa. So to me, to be in a movie, I would love to be in a movie that will make our East Africa proud. Apart from that, Splash Diana, well, we're just gonna do a song, nothing much. She's in Tanzania. Yeah, I'm not gonna chew her. She be home as well. She came home, which the time she came to do a song with my artist Zuchu. I hosted her to my house as well. So it was to my office as well. She's nice and kind. She's a sister to me. And you see, if whatever will come, it's not gonna be my fault or her fault. It's God's. Yeah, but as far as I'm concerned, we are brothers and sisters. Yeah. But she's not a bad person to have a kid with. She's cute.
The last Benny, this is a charity concert, so we need more people performing for free than for money. So, chobola muganda wa foyo kwali mukosi.
You're right.
Echokubiri, if you see on the poster, there are not only superstars on the poster, there are also upcoming young comedians on the poster. So, as Comedy Store and Alex Mahanja and Galaxy FM, it is upon us to appraise young talent to also come to superstar stages and superstar events. So, that is why that young brother is on the show. Otherwise, you Google best DJ in Uganda, you'll tell me whether his name is there. Google is your friend. Probably my question to Nameless, I am the one who hooked up Diamond to Zali. Can I hook you up? To Mwani or
And as you heard, it depends. To who would you recommend?
To a female, just like that.
Yeah. Which one do you recommend?
Temutya na nyo kapatamala abo wano mwe. We'll see. I'll work out something for you.
Appreciate it.
Okay. Hello. Microphone got it.
Bigo. Hello, Diamond. How are you? I'm called Divosh from Uganda.
I'm a journalist, entertainment journalist. I work with BBS Telefina, the only Uganda broadcasting Telefina we have in Uganda. I have an online blog, Track UG. Mine is a simple question from the social media in-laws. We know you are our son-in-law in Uganda. I love the outfit you're putting on. And the question here says, does Diamond Platnumz know that Alikubuko according to the dress code? Your dress code here, we are at Uko in Uganda.
Keep it simple.
Yeah, it's simple, like that way. And one question, who is your designer? The outfit is good for us here. You as a brother-in-law, but for your father, father-in-law, according to your dress code, it is not good for them. But for us, it's okay. We would like to know who is your designer. Not so? That's cool.
Diamond.
You know, when I go to his question, when I include it there, they'll get back to you. My family, they know, apart from being a normal human being, I'm a musician. You know, being a musician sometimes can be crazy. You have to do things that when you look back at your family, you feel like, oh, what am I going to tell you? But I'm an entertainer. I have to entertain people. Not in a bad way, not in, it's like it needs to be legal, not illegal, but I'm trying to entertain my people. That's where I get my money from. So after here, when you come, if one day I invite you home, if you come to Tanzania, most of the time I wear something called kanzu. Kanzu are those Islam, when you met me, inform me with a kanzu. You know those long white dress like Arabs wear with a scarf? That's where I always like wearing. I'm putting on that one. And I'm praying 5 times a day. So my family, my all-in-laws, they know me that this guy, the person they see here, this is not Nasib, this is Diamond Platnumz. He can say whatever he want to say. If I'm talking about girls, it has nothing to do with my family back home. If I talk about having more kids, that's Diamond Platnumz. If I'm talking about, that's D, it's not Nasib. Okay. So when I go to my family, I dress totally different. Even my hair, sometimes I'm taking my dress off.
Last one, still on social media. This one is a man-to-man kind of thing. All of us on social media, we're scrolling through here and there. Every now and again, we see a pretty little somebody that we like. As Diamond Platnumz, you're going through your Instagram, you see a little pretty somebody that you like. How do you go about it? Do you slide up in DMs? Do you get somebody to do it for you? How does it work in your world?
Ladies.
Yes, of course a pretty lady.
Trust me, I go DM. I don't send anybody. I don't mind going to the DM. If you want to screenshot me, I can say anything. You know, come on. It's very easy. That's what I've been telling my friends. Like, how dare you can go to someone's DM, or you're not scared. They're like, it's very easy to say it wasn't me. I'm sending it, after I'm sending it, then they say it was just Adobe. It's very easy. So I slide in there, bro, after sometimes I will die, so I want to use my time very properly. I'm not going to be here.
Thank you.
Alex, before we wind up, just tell us what to expect, what the lineup is, what time that gets open, and then we'll wrap this up.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is the concert day. It's a fundraiser concert. Someone said the money is a lot. No, it's not a lot. It's affordable. And we expect everyone to come through and support us. We are at Kololo Independence Grounds. We open the gates at 2 p.m. We got out a lineup quickly to see where people are performing. If you want to check that online on our pages, it's right there. But everyone that we advertised is going to perform. apart from, I don't know, but they have to respect the time. That's the issue. If you don't respect the time, it's going to be hard for us. And if you've noticed on our socials, we've been advertising and letting you guys know at what time everyone comes on. So if you don't see someone and there is someone, just know the other someone delayed and someone came. So the issue is time. Nameless comes on at 9. Nameless comes on at 9:20 up to 9:40, and that's exact. So then we have Alien Skin, then Dam and Platnumz. Dam and Platnumz takes the show from 10 to midnight until we finish. So just come through, guys, and look forward. I think it's going to be a great time. We have 3 categories. We have regular, VIP, and then the platinum people, the table people. And all is organized. From here, we're going to Kololo Airstrip. If you want to come through and check out, it's going to be nice. We also have a sound check. If you guys want to see how it goes live, you can come through at 6 p.m. We'll be there at Kololo Airstrip, sound checking. Be sure that tomorrow will be nice. Otherwise, we on our side, we're ready for the show. Thank you so much.
All right, I'm going to request the team up front to just stand up for a group photo, if you don't mind. The artists and the partners, just get closer to each other for that photo op. Just get closer so we are all in the shot. Yep.